Hello children, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to deal with 6th class maths. New topic, that is integers. Before going to that topic, let us have a small discussion about the thought that I have decided today. The thought is attitude determines the direction. Attitude means how you are exhibiting yourself, means how the people are observing you. How are you taking the things that are coming into your way? Are you thinking it positively or are you thinking it negatively about it? These all will come under attitude. How are you showing yourself to the others? How the others are feeling about you by seeing the way you are behaving at certain things, at certain points, at certain positions. What is your behavior? This all will calculate your attitude, children. Then definitely attitude will determine the direction. What is this direction? Direction of our life. Mainly you have two attitudes. One is positive and another one is negative. The one who is developing positive attitude will have positive thinking, will work positively, even if he or she faces any difficulty. They will put a question upon themselves, why can't I? What is the problem? How can I rectify it? They will get the solution and they proceed with it. So they don't face any failure. And even if a small failure comes in their path also, they don't bother about it. Okay, I did this mistake, so I'm failed here. So let me not do that. Let me try for a better one so that next time I don't face this situation. So, like that, even if a failure comes in their way, they get a lesson from it and they proceed to get success in their life. The same thing with a negative attitude. He will be always thinking negative about himself, negative about the people. So his life goes on in that way only. He will never face success in his life, children. Actually, he'll become a burden to the society. So, children, always develop a positive attitude to have a good life and good society around you, and you will become a good citizen in the society. This is what ultimately everyone of us must behave. We should become the best citizens in the society so that our India can become the greatest country. Ultimately, that should be the goal of every Indian. Let us come back to the studies. We are now going to talk about integers. So, before going to talk about integers, let us have a small discussion about the number system. What is the number system that you have studied till now? The first number system which you have studied is natural number system. Natural numbers. These natural numbers are indicated by capital N. So, what is natural number, children? It is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These all are natural numbers. So, if you put them in a number line, you will be writing 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, it goes on. In the just like the numbers in a scale, right from 1 I am talking about. Second one, you have discussed about whole numbers. What are these whole numbers, children? Just like how natural numbers are indicated by n, whole numbers are indicated by w. W is the indication of whole number. So, what is w dealing with? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So compared to natural numbers, whole numbers, it is this 0 which is more. So if you are drawing a number line, start it with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes on like this. So these are what the number systems which you have learnt in your previous classes. Natural numbers and whole numbers. Today we are going to talk about new number system, that is integers. So as an introduction, just to copy this, children, then we will start with the integers. Now let us talk about integers. So integers, these are indicated by either I or Z. Sometimes you will see them as I, sometimes you will be seeing that indication as Z. So, what is its definition? The definition of integers, the numbers. Integers means the number system. The number system which contains positive, negative, let me write positive numbers, that will be clear. Clear definition you will be getting. Positive numbers, negative numbers, negative numbers, including 0. Okay, including 0 is called the number system which contains positive numbers, negative numbers, and including 0 is called integers. This is the definition of integers. So, what do you mean by this word positive? Earlier, I have not discussed about this. Now only I am talking about this positive numbers. Positive numbers means they will be having a sign plus. And what are negative numbers? Negative numbers are indicated by negative, minus. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. We don't give any symbol for 0. And one more thing which you should know, children, plus or minus. That is either you are indicating positive or negative. Plus or minus is indicated always on the left side of a number. This also, since you are in 6th class, you should know about this basic property, children. Any number when we are talking about, its sign will be on its left side, not on right side. So, when I am writing 6, 6 is a number. So, its sign will be on its left side. But see, children, now I have not kept any sign for 6. If I have not kept any sign for a 6, it is nothing but plus sign. So either if a number without sign on its left side or a number with its positive sign on its left side, these both are positive numbers. Positive they are. If I write -5, this is negative. Negative number, positive number, negative number. So you see children, this negative sign is on the left side. This you should have, because I have seen many children when I'm in my teaching profession. I have seen many students have this confusion whether the sign is whether it where is the sign lies. Sometimes they are mistaking the sign which is on the right side as the sign of the next before number. That is not correct, children. Every number has its sign on its left side, not on right side. Right side sign is the sign of the next number, not this number. Please remember that, because I have seen, observed many students have confused. They have got this kind of confusion about the signs. I am explaining this. So those who need can take it. Please copy it. Now, we will talk about the next part of it. When you are representing, let me talk about the number line of integers. Number line. How will you integers numbers of how will you represent numbers of integers on the number line? You will be having 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positive on right side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on the left side. So all right side ones to 0 are positive, or left side ones to 0 are negative. Okay, so integers z is equal to what you will be saying, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, -1, -2, -3, so on. Like this, we will be representing. And one more thing here, children, the value of negative numbers decreases as we move towards left side of 0. Means, what do you mean by this? -3 value is less than -2. See, we feel that 3 is greater than 2, but -3 value is less than -2. Why? Because -3 is away from 0, 2 is nearer to 0. So, whichever negative values which are nearer to 0 are greater, other ones are lesser. So, -8 is less than -7. But it is positive values, means their values will increase. So you can represent the values like this. Value increases means the value of the number increases. Here the value decreases. Its value of the number decreases as it is moving on the left side. This is the main property, children. So even this number system, you copy, children. I'll tell you one more small point about it. Even this horizontal line I have taken. Now I am taking a vertical line. Let me draw a vertical line with a scale like this. In this vertical line also, 0 will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on it goes here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, it goes on like this. So all positive values are on top position. So this side, positive values, positive numbers, and value increases, and this side negative numbers and value decreases. So minus value is less than -4. -4 is less than -3. It goes on like this, children. This is the basic information about integers. Please note down this. Now we will see the next part. Now let us see in your page 74, you have got do this sum. What they have given, draw a vertical line and represent the following number line. So they are asking, draw a vertical line and represent. What are the values they have given? -5, 4, -7, -8, -2, 9, 5, -6, 2. So vertical line means this we need to draw. So this is a vertical line. So first let me write what are the positive numbers given in the problem and negative numbers given in the problem. Why are we writing this? This will help us to represent the numbers upon the number line. So positive values, what am I having? I am having 4 here, and the next 9 here, and 5 and 2. So if I write it in an increasing order, I can write it as a 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 9. This is increasing order. Now what are the negative numbers I am having? I am having -5, -7, -8, -2, -6. So how many total numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I have taken all. So let me put them in order. Increasing or decreasing, we will discuss about it afterwards. So let me put them in an order. What is the order? -2, -5, -6, -7, -8. So what is this order, children? This is called as decreasing order, because we know that as the number value increases, negative ones, the order its value decreases. So we have understood that negative values we need up to 8, and positive values we need up to 9. So let me take here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes on like this. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. It goes on like this. So the number is 2. This is 2. And 4. This is 4. And 5. This is 5. And 9. This is 9. These are the represented numbers of positive numbers, and negative numbers start with -2, -5, -6, -7, -8. So these are the representations of the numbers on the vertical line. Horizontal line means in this way we'll write. Vertical lines in this way. So please copy it. Now exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. First one, represent using signs. They are giving something, we have to represent but with the sign. The first one, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 3,000 meters. At a height of 3,000 meters. That means what, children? They have given a bracket. Height means above. Aeroplane goes up. So we will be taking it as plus 3,000 meters. Okay. Next, second bit. The fish is 10 meters below the water surface. Below the water surface. So means what? 10 meters below. Below means down. Down means minus 10 meters. This is the answer. And third bit, temperature in Hyderabad. The temperature in Hyderabad is 35 degrees above 0 degrees. Above 0 plus 35 degrees. Okay, children. Now, fourth one, water freezes. Water freezes at 0 degrees temperature. That means what? Here 0 degrees. You don't write the 0 degrees Celsius. You don't write either positive or negative because I have already explained you 0 has neither positive nor negative sign. And fifth one, the average temperature at Mount Everest. The average temperature at Mount Everest in January is 36 degrees below 0 degrees. 36 degrees below 0. Below 0 means down. So minus 36 degrees centigrade is the answer. Now Sixth one, the remaining three, I will write children, just copy it. Three more bits are there. Now, sixth one, the submarine is submarine is 500 meters below the surface of sea. Surface of the sea. Submarine, you know, no? The one which goes under the water. Below means under the water. So minus 500 meters. According to the direction, you should put the symbol. What is the seventh one? The average temperature. The average temperature at Darjeeling. At Darjeeling in July is 19 degrees centigrade below 0 degree. Below 0 degree means down 19, minus 19 degrees centigrade. Eighth one, the average low temperature. The average low temperature in Visakhapatnam. In Visakhapatnam. In Visakhapatnam during January. During January is 18 degrees centigrade. Now here children, the average low temperature in Visakhapatnam during January is 18 degrees centigrade. So you will begin, low means you will write minus 18 degrees centigrade means what? It is less than earlier temperature. Low means it is lesser than earlier temperature. The average low temperature in otherwise you write it as 18 degrees only because minus 18 means you may get a confusion. 18 degrees less than previous month. When compared to that of the previous month, minus 18 compared to previous month. That means minus 18 degrees centigrade compared to previous temperature. So you may have a doubt about low. This word low, you may have a doubt. Shall I write minus or plus? You write it as 18 degrees only because the temperature in Visakhapatnam can't go to below. Usually negative temperatures means below 0 we will be discussing about. So the actual explanation for it is minus 18 degrees. That means 18 degrees less compared to previous temperature. Whatever was previous temperature, for that 18 degrees less. That should be the correct meaning for it, children. Please copy it. Now, Second one, write any five negative integers. Five negative integers. What are they, children? -8, -4, -11, -10, -9. Anything you can write. Five negative integers. Third one, write any five positive integers. So anything you can write. Positive integers, I'll write +5, +9, +13, +18, +14. So these are all positive integers. Now fourth one, a number line is given to you. Mark -4, 3, 2, 0, -1, 5. We have got a number line and a thick one is given here, and right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Now this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So first you have to represent -4. This is -4. This is 3. This is 2. This is 0. This is -1. This is 5. You have represented them. Next. Fifth one, I'll do it in the. You just copy this, children. Fifth problem, 4 bits are there. I'll do together. Now, let us go to the fifth problem. You have to write true or false. First bit. -7 is on the right side of -6 on the number line. See, children, when you draw a number line, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 will be on the left side of -6, not on the right side. So it is a false statement. And second one, 0 is a positive number. Can you consider 0 as positive, children? I said no, 0 has no sign. It is neither positive nor negative. 9 is on the right side of 0 on the number line. 0 on the number line. Yeah, children, it is true. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it goes. On the right side of 0. It is correct. Now, fourth one. -1 is an integer which lies between -2 and 0. So -1 lies between -2 and 0, is it not, children? 0, -1, -2. So -2 and 0 are between. So it is a true statement. So copy this, children. With this, I am concluding my topic today.